Hello friends, today I'll show you how to make an irresistibly delicious mung beans salad. First, soak the beans overnight, then next day, drain them, transfer into a pot and put enough water, cover it and cook. First on high heat, then once starts to simmer, reduce the heat into medium-low and cook until they are done. Now they are done, I will strain them and leave them there until time to use them. I will dice half an onion first. And I will dice one red bell pepper. One half I will cook and one half I will keep it fresh. I will use 2 garlic cloves. One I will saute with the onion and bell pepper, and second one I'll keep it fresh till the end. I'll chop some cilantro and fresh mint. Using olive oil, and always use good quality olive oil, I will saute the onion with the garlic first. Okay, then add half bell pepper and saute. Now it's done. I will turn off the heat and start assemble the salad. First I'll start with the mung beans. Add onion, garlic and red bell pepper. This is cilantro, mint, garlic, this is a fresh garlic, this is sweet paprika, sumac, salt and the black pepper. Add all that in. Lemon juice, olive oil, and I will add half of the red bell pepper that I saved and mix everything up, and I'll use the second half to garnish. Just put it on the top. Now tasting time. It's packed with nutrients and so delicious. I wish you'll try it, and don't forget to share, like, subscribe, and thank you for watching.